सर हीरे मेरे पास नहीं है सर।
तमन्ना भाटिया
जी सर, मेरी ना इतनी लाइफ खराब कर दी, इतनी लाइफ खराब कर दी, मैं क्या करूं।
कंगना
जी सर, तो अगेन मोहतरमा है, इन्होंने मेरे साथ फिल्म की है सर, और आजकल काफ़ी चर्चे में है सर, तो अगर आपको ध्यान आए।
तमन्ना जी
नहीं सर,
इस
सर
साल 4-5
सर एक होता है ठरकी, ठरक, ठरकी, ठरकुल्ला। सर अगर इन केस दिस रिमाइंड्स यू सर, इफ दिस कैन हेल्प यू नो। अच्छा सर, अभी जिस फिल्म की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे उसमें भी ये हैं।
तृप्ति
जी सर।
The movie is about a heist. If you guys were accused of stealing something, what would that be?
Hearts for him.
Hello and welcome to Switch. I am Sanya and I have with me Avinash and Jimmy sir. Welcome to Switch.
Hello.
Sikandar Ka Muqaddar is coming. First thing I want to know, when you heard of the title, what is it that you thought? What came to your mind?
The title was finalized a little later.
Yeah.
And I loved it in the first sound of it was really nice, because obviously why would it not be? Muqaddar Ka Sikandar is such a
Sikandar Ka Muqaddar.
नहीं मैं ओरिजिनल की बात कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, मैं आपकी वाली
मुकद्दर का सिकंदर जो है वो फिल्म जो है वो सबके वो ना हर इंसान के एटलीस्ट हमारी जनरेशन के तो जुबान पे वो चीज़ चढ़ी हुई है। तो सडनली सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, एंड वी न्यू द स्टोरी नाउ।
Yeah.
We already knew the story and we were like, wow, this goes so well with the whole thing, because Neeraj has that little bit of twist to his titles and his this thing, and it's not very straight. And like he said in the trailer launch also, that he is very inspired by that film, because it happens to be a cult classic for him, and he said that it's an ode to it. It's got nothing to do with the same story or anything like that, but it's a kind of a ode from his side as a filmmaker too.
Yeah, you have both worked with Amitabh sir, and you had your first action sequence with him in Yudh,
Yeah.
and you hit him with your elbow on his head.
Why do you have to remind
I
me?
want to know the story. What is it like?
I had a heart attack. Yeah, it was like, I remember when we were shooting it. This was back in 2013. I was obviously a little more younger than what I am today, but I remember that everyone would talk about an earlier incident that had happened with him, where there was an accident that had happened and he was hospitalized in an action sequence. So they would always, before we were shooting, all the assistants, and they would say, "Arey Samal ke, if this happens, probably this will be the end of your career." And so I was already under a lot of pressure before I got into the action space. And I remember that in some sequence, I was told that I'm slightly delayed in the punch that I had to hit. So I said, okay, I will do it fast. And in that, suddenly something went off, our sync went off, and I happened to hit with my elbow on his head. And I have the video of it with me. I still remember, like I turn around almost like it's like, oh God, what have I done? It's the end. Is it the end for me? And सर वो आदत नहीं होता ना कट सुनने की, तो आई जस्ट वेंट फॉर द सेकंड पंच आल्सो इन दैट सेम शॉट.
Oh God.
And thankfully that did not connect.
Yeah.
And
Did it make it to the film? Did that scene make it?
that shot is there in the in Youth for sure. In fact, they while it was played on TV, they actually had a side banner saying that it really happened. And yes, so when that happened, there was absolute silence on the set. Everyone ran to him, and I felt like I'm the biggest villain in the world. I really felt that I should just ये फट जाए ज़मीन में, धंस जाऊँ, मुझे क्या हो गया मुझसे, it just and I remember him standing, and I'm literally like shivering every inch of me, going to him, and I said, sir, I'm really sorry, I hit you on, yes, you hit me on my head. I'm like, I'm really sorry. And in my nervousness I said, sir, do you want to do a rehearsal? And he's still trying to get over this pain that has happened to him, the shock that he's feeling, and looks at me and looks at everyone and says, "Kahan se laaye ho?" And then he said, "Okay, but we'll do it slowly." I said, "Yes, sir." And we walked in. ऐसा कुछ था कि मैं ज़मीन पे लेटा हूँ, लात मारते हैं, मैं उठकर खड़ा होता हूँ. So I went down on the floor. मैं वैसे लेटने जा रहा था. Suddenly came to me and said, "Action is like choreography. Dance, just dance. you won't believe this. I was almost on the verge to say, sir, but there is no music. I was just so nervous. And I was sometimes wonder what he must have thought of me, if he's still aware that I'm around. But yeah, that was my experience. It's really, really terrible. I know how many people love him. We all do, and what they all must have felt on set. Everyone hated me in that moment. Everyone.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't remind me of that again.
Do you have an incident with sir that you remember?
The first time I met Mr. Bachchan, I think Adi, it was in Yash Uncle's house before the shooting of Mohabbatein, and I was introduced by Adi that he is playing Karan. और उससे कुछ दिन पहले ही मेरा एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था जिसमें मेरा ये पूरा कट गया था और कुछ 55 स्टिचेस थे मेरे हाथ में और पट्टी बंधी हुई थी. तो द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन ऑफ मिस्टर बच्चन, आई थिंक ही इज टेकिंग हिज अ मेथड एक्टर, ही इज टेकिंग हिज रोल वेरी सीरियसली, बिकॉज वो बार बार अपना हाथ काट के वो प्रीति के पास पहुंच जाता है ना. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट I was diagnosed as something that happened to me, and yeah, then lovely memories. I've done a few films with him. And
do you remember my hand got burned? I said, when, sir? And he gives you that look, tumhe nahi pata. So I'm just looking at him. Like during Inqilab and Sharabi, if you remember, I would keep my hands like that. I said, yes. और तुम लोग इसको style बोलता है. Just so cool, yeah. He said, I had a surgery here and my shoulder kind of drooped, and we're sharing that, and he said, और तुम लोग इसको style बोलता है. That is so cool. He's just so cool.
Some of the older colleagues that I have, or who have interacted with Bachchan sir, say that there is an aura when he walks into the room. You know that he has walked in. Have you guys felt that?
Always, absolutely. Mr. Bachchan is.
Should sit down, see him walking into the set. He would have 5-6 guards around him. I still remember him holding the script because someone who rehearses a lot, like really inspiring, sir, to see how much effort he puts in at this age. Walking, and everyone on the set got up to just see him walk onto us. And he's walking, and एक वो full शेर वाला जो walk है उनका, it just. And also, you've seen it so many times. I don't know if you're living that nostalgia, you're living the reality. I don't know what happens, but you're just stunned when you see him. What a presence! What a presence!
Yeah, this is the first time that you guys are working together and also working with Tamanna. So, what were your perceptions of each other before you guys met?
मैं तमन्ना को I think एक दो बार ही मिला था इससे पहले. At that also some premieres and some movie screenings and all that, whatever. And I don't think there were any readings with her. And then we ended up meeting first time on the set. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने character में थी और बहुत डरी, because that's the time we were shooting that robbery, and you know, and बहुत ऐसे और पूरा कैरेक्टर के अंदर.
She says that he was so strongly in character that she was scared. And he says that she was scared. And
सब नाम मेरा लगा रहे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. And तो मैंने सोचा कि यार, I just said hello to her and everything in the middle of the rehearsals and everything. And क्योंकि हमारा शॉट बाहर से चलता हुआ आ रहा था, जीप आती है, रुकती है, मैं उतरता हूँ, निकल रहा हूँ, huge corridors, halls, the one shot, अंदर आते हैं and everything like that. And तो रिहर्सल के टाइम पे हम आए, सारा कुछ हुआ और ये लोग सामने खड़े थे. तो जैसे ही कट बोला, मैंने बोला हेलो तमन्ना, मगर वो उनका कोई रिएक्शन नहीं आया. वो एकदम ऐसे कांपती हुई और उस जोन में थी. मैंने कहा भाई ये तो कैरेक्टर में है, इनको रहने देते हैं. तो yeah, that was the first interaction as far as this film is concerned.
Yeah. What about you? Did you have any perception of Jimmy sir?
of course, I mean, we've seen him on screen for the longest time. I've mentioned this earlier also, that in the initial days, you know, when you start off, you want someone to look at and say, maybe this is the direction you will take. And with the actors at that point of time, I think the time that my desire for acting started, he was one of the faces that was really making it out there in the Hindi film industry. and you kind of start taking inspiration. So for me, the initial inspiration was someone like him, who you would see do all kinds of work at that point of view, right from Marches to Mohabbatein. And I still remember, I was just mentioning this to him, he was slightly embarrassed about it, but I remember Mere Yaar Ki Shaadi Hai, I had gone to watch this with my family. My mother was sitting right next to me, and this car, black car, came in, the door opened, and this man stepped out with these black shades, and my mom sitting next to me. Wow. You know, and उस वक्त I felt a huge amount of envy for this person कि अरे ऐसा कौन है जो मेरी माँ को मुझसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. So that is the feeling, that is where it started from, for me to eventually sit down and be in this position to sit down and get an opportunity to act. I really feel grateful. It's feels like you would understand it. That it really warms your heart, and the fact that we have such an interesting part, the kind of chemistry that we have in the film, is, I think, would be joyful for people to see. And maybe somewhere, you know, you will see those flashes of inspirations that have stayed. So that's what you hope for. This was my perception and my feeling with him. With Tamanna, I've also mentioned that we met quite early in our life, and then, you know, I never thought that she's the person who I'd met until we finally met on set. And what really came through for me about Tamanna is the warmth that she has, which I wasn't aware. You know, I'd seen her as a performer. She's a beautiful dancer. She's very graceful with it. But the warmth that she has is what really connected me to her. And then, of course, she's a brilliant professional, lovely artist. So it was always just free-flowing as long as work is concerned.
You know, I remember watching Khaki and his part, and I was like, wow, this guy has done such a fantastic job and everything like that. And cut to, we are doing this film together, and Neeraj has called him also to the office, and I'm also there. I look at him, I say, ये तो यार इंग्लिश है, एकदम थोड़ा सा अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहा है, तो वहाँ पर तो इतना देसी, इतना खतरनाक, इतना सब कुछ आएगा, ये बहुत सही है. I mean, he's a very good actor. और ये सब बातें चल ही रही थी, and that was my first reaction to seeing him. He's English.
Yeah, like he mentioned that you're somebody who, you know, he looked at for inspiration. Is there somebody that you you know, looked up to in your early days?
I think हमारे लिए तो हमेशा शाहरुख खान रहा है. मतलब सीधी सी बात है, उस वक्त भी शाहरुख खान थे, बीच में भी शाहरुख खान थे, और आज भी शाहरुख खान. सीधी सी बात है, सीधी सी बात है.
Do you think it's his aura, the person that he is, his craft? What is it that, you know, makes him stand out?
Everything about him. Everything about him.
Okay. The movie is about a heist. If you guys were accused of stealing something, what would that be?
Hearts for him. This is hearts, stealing hearts for him. I think for me, what would I be accused of stealing? Peace of a lot of people around me. I think I would have done that. I do bother and irritate a lot of people. My lovely friends here from Netflix would also validate that. I can irritate them a little bit, you know. So I can take away peace, steal away peace from people.
Yeah. There are a lot of reels that are made for the both of you, for your characters, your soft boy era, as they call it, from Mohabbatein, and of course Laila Majnu for you. Do you guys enjoy seeing that? Do you interact with that? What is your reaction when you see that?
I to just smile and laugh, and it's like, अच्छा चलो और दो चार बनाओ. That's the feeling I have. But I mean, it's an expression of love, is what you understand, and I just enjoy it. I don't engage with it. I don't think I've ever engaged with a reel that I've seen or a meme that I've seen. Yeah. But why? The more the merrier.
What about you, sir? Do you see the reels?
वो जो पुरानी क्लिपिंग्स लेके जो लोग उसके ऊपर जब वो गाने चलाते हैं, चलते चलते ही रुक जाते हैं, तो वो अच्छे लगते हैं. सब ये जो बाकी जगहों पे स्पॉटेड हियर एंड देयर खतरनाक सी लोग दाढ़ी और ये और वो और उसके पीछे चलते चलते जो लगा देते वो नहीं समझ में आता मेरे को। अरे कोई हमारी और भी फिल्में आई हैं जिसमें थोड़े से खतरनाक टाइप के गाने थे, वो पीछे से वो चला दो, अब वो उसमें चलते चलते चला रहे हो आप,
गैंगस्टर वाइब और पीछे चल रहा है चलते
ढंग 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 करके चल रहा है और उसको दिखा रहे हो, तो वो थोड़ा फनी लगता है। बाकी creatively I feel that whoever is making these reels, not only for me but sometimes they are so amazing, the kind of shots they have picked up and put over there, and they've compiled the whole thing together, the kind of music, hats off to them. I mean, it just shows how much of hard work they must be putting in to get something out like that which becomes so viral. So वो viral होने के बाद हमारे जैसे के पास पहुंचती है, अरे wow, ये किसने बनाया?
And that's when you really understand that the whole conversation of beauty lies with in the eyes of the beholder. Sometimes you see this, you have done something, it just looks okay to you, but they are able to see something so beautiful in it and bring that out in their edits. That is something I really find. Just slow down a certain moment which you thought was just normal, and suddenly it looks so beautiful. And to have those eyes is so. I mean, all the people who do it. One, congratulations to be blessed with that talent, and thank you for all the love. That's all we can say.
Yeah. Okay. So we spoke about games before we start this interview. It's time for that game. Okay. So you're playing.
We are here for what we came for.
So you're playing an investigative reporter. So you have to guess who these actors are, and you have to act it out for him. Okay. So So you have to take it, put it on your head.
Can you do it the other way?
If you're okay, whatever you're okay.
Let's try. We'll play.
Okay. So you put one on your head, and then he acts, and you have to guess who it is.
Sir, this is the easiest that could have happened, sir.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, good.
Salman bhai.
Voila.
Very good at you. You saw this one.
अरे नहीं यार.
Can I sing a song? No.
Maybe act in there.
I would want to stand, but okay.
कोई फिल्म जो ऐसी हो, कोई जो याद दिला दे.
Can I say dialogue?
Yes, yes.
मेरी ना इतनी लाइफ खराब कर दी, इतनी लाइफ खराब कर दी, मैं क्या करूं? नहीं? ओके. सर, थोड़े घुंघराले बाल हैं और आपने साथ में काम भी किया है उनके.
हैं?
हाँ. घुंघराले बाल हैं उनके और काफ़ी फिल्म में काफ़ी अच्छे गाने भी थे. मोहतरमा है. फिल्म में काफ़ी अच्छे गाने थे और उसमें भी आपको लड़की नहीं मिली थी सर. और
सैफ
सर लड़की है सर.
अच्छा लड़की.
हाँ.
कंगना.
जी सर. जी सर.
मतलब लड़की बोल
तो बहुत 2 बार बोला सर. लड़की
जरूरी चीज ये होता है कि होती है कि मतलब पहले बताना होता है कि लड़का है कि लड़की है.
लड़की है सर. और हमारी फिल्म क्या है? सिकंदर का मुकद्दर. और दूसरी वाली कौन सी थी?
मुकद्दर का सिकंदर.
इसमें ये इन्होंने काम किया सर.
देखा जी.
जी.
फैंटास्टिक.
Maybe act now and don't tell him through.
एक्ट कैसे करूं एक्ट?
चलो इस वाले में बोल के दिखा दो
सर. अगेन मोहतरमा है. इन्होंने मेरे साथ फिल्म की है सर. और आजकल काफ़ी चर्चे में है सर, तो अगर आपको ध्यान आए.
तमन्ना जी?
नहीं सर, मेरे साथ इन्होंने 2 फिल्में की हैं और इस साल तो उन्होंने पता नहीं 4-5 फिल्में की हैं. शी इज़ बीन द टॉक ऑफ द टाउन. सो इफ यू कैन थिंक ऑफ हर सर. ये यंग एक्ट्रेस एंड और
इस
सर
साल 4-5
सर एक होता है ठरकी. ठरक, ठरकी, ठरकुल्ला. सर अगर इन केस दिस रिमाइंड्स यू सर, इफ दिस कैन हेल्प यू नो. अच्छा सर, अभी जिस फिल्म की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे उसमें भी ये हैं.
तृप्ति.
जी सर.
ये ठरक ठरकी.
Yeah,
सर
what
उनकी
is it?
फिल्म, दैट फिल्म ना है ना डायलॉग?
डायलॉग है अच्छा।
Oh,
उनका
okay,
dialogue.
yeah.
सर ये मेरी फिल्म की हीरोइन है सर.
ये सब
सारी heroine है.
आपकी सब हीरोइन बन ठीक है यहाँ पे.
जी सर. सर हीरे मेरे पास नहीं है सर.
तमन्ना भाटिया.
जी सर.
बच्चन.
Perfect.
100 out of 100 है.
You
और
got
कोई
all
game है
that.
आपके पास?
और कुछ
नहीं.
बचा है लाओ ले.
Please tell our viewers कि उन्हें सिकंदर का मुकद्दर क्यों देखनी चाहिए and what is it that they will take away from this film?
29 नवंबर को ये फिल्म नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ रही है, तो इसलिए देखिए. एक नीरज पांडे की डायरेक्शन है इसमें, उनकी कहानी है, उनकी फिल्म है, इसलिए देखिए. इसमें इस समय के आग लगाते हुए अविनाश जी हैं, इस वजह से देखिए. आग लगाती हुई तमन्ना जी हैं, इसलिए देखिए.
You have to add anything to that?
हाँ, इसमें आग लगाते रहे हुए जिमी जी को देखिए. I think along with that I want to just say that it's just a film that you start watching and you don't leave. It's once you switch it on, I don't think you're gonna let it go. It's a thriller which is a fast-paced thriller, edge of the seat. At the same time, it's a plot and character-driven thriller. It's a very immersive experience. It's something that's gonna make you feel satiated after you've watched it. You will feel that you've had fun watching it, and it's I think one of the best ways you can spend your 2 hours, 20 minutes on Netflix.
Perfect. Thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you.
Thank you.